Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, this is Fred. Don't worry, my little Chihuahua Mookie will be back next episode. There she is in the corner there. Hi baby, to Calgary soon. Alright, today we're just gonna make a spicy London lemonade. So I'm gonna build it over ice in my hurricane glass. And I got some gin, you probably can't see it, but I infused it with jalapeno peppers. So I got jalapeno peppers that have been floating in my gin bottle for a few days. I kept the seeds in there. So if you do that, just be careful to strain the seeds out when you're mixing the drink. All right, so we'll go 2 ounces of my jalapeno infused gin. And then I found some jalapeno flavored lemonade. President's Choice at Superstore in Canada carries it. So we'll go a good 3 or 4 ounces of my jalapeno lemonade. And then I'm just gonna finish it off with a little bit of Sprite. And then I got a nice fresh jalapeno as a garnish. And that's my spicy London lemonade. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. And this is Chappy and Fred saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.